Good day, good day. It's your boy, better yet, your man, Markel Prines, Mr. RVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home. Now, this time I had to give you guys the whole intro. And that's because I want you guys to know exactly who I am. Now, if you're not familiar with me, I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and I love to help people who are beginners learn how to generate their first income from home and continue on generating passive income from home. Now, the one thing I want to bring to you guys today is something that I'm very excited about. I actually completed my first training course, meaning something that I created myself. Now, after being in the industry for over 10 years, I noticed some issues, I noticed some problems. I failed the majority of the time. And as stated, I'm full-time now, but I've only been full-time for the last 2 years. So I put in a lot of years before this in order to get to this point. And I noticed a lot of things. So along with my mentor, a program that he's created that's allowed me to further increase my income from home, I've created my own additional training to go along with that to help beginner affiliate marketers who need the extra details that I knew I needed before and nobody would give me that information. Now, I want to share this with you guys. Now, it's going to be absolutely free. The training that I provide to you is going to be 10 modules. So it's not some type of webinar where I be on there talking about my life story and how much money I made and stuff like that. It's nothing like that. It's going to be information that's going to tell you about exactly what I do and the things that I use in order to generate an income from home. And I'm going to share this information with you guys. It's going to be absolutely free, this training. Like I said, 10 modules, and I may throw in some additional bonuses. Like I said, this is absolutely new. So it's not some information that's been rehashed and used from somebody else that no longer works. It's something that I've been using for a few years now and still works, but nobody else is trying to tell you about it. That changes all today. I'm here now, and I want to make sure that you guys have all the skills and the things that you need in order to be successful as beginner affiliate marketers. So click the link in the description of this video. It's going to take you to my free training. And like I said, it's something that I thought about for the longest. I've taken so many trainings over the last 10 years from other people. And obviously, the time that it took me in order to become successful, the information that I received during that time frame, it did not give me everything that I felt I needed. And once when I actually figured out what it was that I needed, I knew what it was that other beginner affiliate marketers would need also. So now I want to provide that to you. So click the link in the description of this video or send me a DM. I'll send you the link to this free training. It's only going to be free for a limited amount of time because I want to get a handful of people that are serious, that are truly serious about making an income from home with affiliate marketing on a full-time basis. And I want to work with these people. I want them to go through the program, start getting results, and then, we're going to build from there. I want to be able to have a system where not just 1% of the people are making an income, like the majority of other programs out there. I want to make sure that everybody that I work with has an equal chance to make a full-time income from home. So that's what I want to provide for you. And anybody that knows me knows I could talk forever about this subject. I'm very passionate about affiliate marketing, and it's something that I love and I'll be doing for the rest of my life. And I'll be here to help and support you. So as you can see, Hustle Daily, that's what we do. And I want to welcome you guys to the Hustlers Secret Success System. See you on the other side.